Today we celebrated St. Patrick's Day in Ireland. There was a parade, people from different clubs, community groups, schools, vintage cars, and many more. It is a big celebration and a national holiday. Alright, I will add some Igbo so that I can practice a bit. Ọ bụrụ na unu lee anya, unu ga-ahụ ndị yi uwe na-acha akwụkwọ ndụ ndụ. I hope that green is akwụkwọ ndụ ndụ. Anyway, I heard that St. Patrick is not only a patron saint of ndị obodo a, anụrụ m na ọ bụkwazi patron saint dị Nigeria. Can you beat that? See the connection, eh? Which is why m jiri si ka m gosi unu ihe nkiri ya. How is my Igbo? I hope I tried, eh? I think I tried. With this my Igbo, as my husband would call it. Do you remember me talking about fake sun? Well, tata, ani enwegi fake sun. The weather was just as bad as you can see, but we enjoyed it. Happy St. Patrick's Day.